Smells nothing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing my March Allure Beauty Box. If you want to see what's inside of this box, then just keep on watching. Basically, it's still morning and I haven't washed my face, and I decided to film this video because there's a lot of skincare products on this box of March for Allure Beauty Box, and I decided to do it now. So without any further ado, I'm going to unbox this, and here it is. This is the box, and they have the, as usual, the booklet inside. As usual, it does have this, what stuff that I did get for my beauty box this month, and it depends this month because it's International Women's Month. So far, I did get this one's first. This is the Juice Beauty. This is a organic solution, it says here, and this is a green apple brightening gel cleanser, and it does have 60 ml or 2 fluid ounces here. So this is $28, and I think you can check them out in juicebeauty.com, and I think they have in the Ulta Beauty. So I'm going to open it first, and it's sealed. I like it when my products or my beauty products or any particular products are sealed because I know that they are safe. They are not touched by other people. So yeah, it smells apple. At the same time, there's like a herbal scent in it, and the texture, it's like the aloe vera gel, the Nature Republic texture, like, but it's more watery. So you guys, it's clear. So I'm going to use this one to cleanse my face first, and I'll be right back, guys. So after I wash my face with this gel cleanser, it is a little bit dry. It's not like other cleanser. It is a little bit drying. As of now, I needed to tone my face. So the next item I have in here is this. This is the Mammon Rose Water Toner, and it does have 25 ml or 0.84 fluid ounces in here, and the benefit for this one is soothing and moisturizing, and it is good for all skin types. The price for the regular size of this water toner by Mammon, it is $23, and you can buy it in their website, which is mammon.com. The smell is really rose. I like the smell. It feels like it's not that toxic, not like some other stuff or smells like alcohol. So I'm going to apply some in here. So next we've got this one. This is a botanic fiber facial mask. This is from BioBell, and this one, it does have 0.88 ounces or 25 grams, and it does have two varieties, and one of them is this one. And this one is a hashtag Stay Gorgeous, hydrates and nourishes with almond oil and vitamin E, and it does have natural extracts, and it is parabens free, gluten free, and no GMOs. Per mask, it is cost of $3.99, and you can check them out in biobellcosmetics.com. I'm going to apply this on my face now. Here, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, peel it off and wipe off any excess liquid, then proceed to rinse. After 20 minutes, I'm going to take this off now, and it's still wet in here, so it says that I need to rinse it off. And for the serum, it's a little bit sticky, so I think that's why they wanted us to, or they wanted me to rinse it off after using this mask. So I'll be right back, guys. So after I rinsed it off, it feels like it's smooth and clear. although there's still a tackiness in there, but it is smooth. Heat mask here is biodegradable. It is actually recyclable and includes botanical extract, and it is non-toxic. The next ones here is this one. This is the Believe the True Cream Aqua Balm, and it does have 10 ml or 0.33 fluid ounces here. For this one, the regular price is $38, and you can check this out at sephora.com. And it does have 70% of hydration level in here. It looks like light blue here, and it smells like herbal again. It's like creamy jelly one, so I'm going to apply this one on my face. For this cream, moisturizing cream, it melts and right away to my skin. It's not heavy, it is very hydrating, and it's easy to apply, and just a small amount is already feels like hydrating. It does have calendula and oat kernel extract, and it does have natural lemongrass scent, so it's a lemongrass, so that's why I like it. And I will purchase it and use it at night, I guess, as a night cream, because it hydrates so fast, and it feels like it is giving me the poreless effect on my skin, and it's smooth. So yeah, I like it. I have 3 more. So the next ones here is a Cure Welcome to Skin Wellness, and this is a seriously soothing blue tansy night oil, and it does have blue tansy and rose for normal to sensitive skin. And this one, it is 100% vegan, and it does have 0.3 fluid ounces or 10 ml, and this is USDA certified bio-based product. So this is the packaging, and it is cruelty free way. So this is how it looks like. It doesn't have any what do you call that, it doesn't have any names in here. It's just a regular bottle. So I'm going to use this one at night, but I'm going to test it out right now. It is a roll on. It is fast absorbent, and I just roll on a little bit, and it's a little bit more hydrating already. The goal for this one is soothing hydration, and the solution is blue tansy, and it does have kale, argan oil, kukui oil, and yarrow. So for the night oil, it is $12.99 for 1 ounces, and you can buy it in acure.com. So the next ones I've got here, this is a Au Natural. This is a, I think, multi-task of product, and I did check in their website. It does have total of 7 shades of this multi-stick creme, and this one's, the retail price for this one is $35, and you can buy it in their website, which is aunaturalcosmetics.com, and it does have 9 ml or 0.3 ounces in here, and it is gluten-free, recyclable, it is cruelty-free and vegan. And I like the packaging. It's like black and white, so it's more, and it does have a matte packaging, and it says here Au Natural, and the shade of it, which is Creme Multi-Stick Grapefruit. Smells nothing. For $35, this is what you get. I'm going to apply it here so that you guys can see. So here it is, very pigmented. It is natural. Based on what I can see, the formula is okay, but the shade of it is a little bit off on my skin, which is I have a little bit of medium skin tone. So the next ones we've got here, it is a lipstick, and it is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, and it does have 6 ml or 0.20 fluid ounces in here. It is cruelty free and it is in the shade OG. The retail price for this one is $20, and you can check this one in their website, which is tarte.com, or you can check this out in Ulta Beauty or Sephora. This is how it looks like. It's very nude, and it does have a matte handle in here, or the applicator of it. The doe foot is like the same. The smell is like okay, and this is how is the shade of it. I don't know if I will pull it off this shade, so I'm going to apply it. It's too light for my skin type. It is already dry, but I feel like this is not my shade. I don't like the shade. It feels like I'm dead. So far, among of these products that I did try today, these are the two products that I like the most. This is the Believe True Cream moisturizing one, and this the night oil, which is the Cure. I like it because it's very moisturized, and it does absorb so fast on my skin, so I don't have any flaky or dryness on my skin, because a while ago I did have one in here, and I like this one because it absorbs so fast on my skin, and it feels like soothing or smooth on my skin. So I guess that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.